My loves, check this out. You see that? It is not what you're thinking. It is exactly what you're saying. It's La Rosa. You guys go ahead and click the subscribe button and let's review this awesome CAMDUCK camera. CAMDUCK camera. You feel me? I'm too excited, that's why. Okay, you will know why I'm laughing very soon. Hello everybody, it's me again, La Rosa. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. You're gonna love it here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I have CAMDUCK. Yes, hidden camera, nanny cam, whatever you call it. And it's a charger, like extension cord. Hopefully it's at the beginning of this video. If not, I am actually eager to see what that looks like. Let's check out their website first. You know how we do it. There's the CAMDUCK, aka extension cord with hidden camera, something like that. Look at that. I hope it comes with 128 gig memory card because that would be nice. 4K HD or HD to 4K, I guess that's what it is. Hidden, no light night vision, so they're not even gonna know it's there. Access Wi-Fi, data security, 160 degrees large angle. Okay, that's how much it can capture. Look at this, guys. I can't wait to check it out. Completely hidden. No indicator when recording. No one will know it's a hidden camera. Wow. No light for night vision. That's, what I just said. So 4K Ultra HD, and you also have, so that's the difference between the 4K and the 1080. Sorry, it's just funny. And that's how wide it is. We're gonna check it out soon. Motion detector. Okay, detect a moving object. That's good. Loop recording. Automatic video cycle or cycle video recording and storage to SD card when power on, so you don't have to worry about missing exciting moments. Oh wow, okay. What else? Remote viewing, which means after connecting to the internet, viewing can be performed anytime, any place. It can, remotely record video, take pictures, playback, and other function, which really right on your phone. No network monitoring. Oh wow. If there's no network, if there's no Wi-Fi available, don't worry. You can connect directly to the camera's signal. Wow. On your mobile device, on your mobile phone, and view live video with a range of 30 meters from the camera. You say what? Okay. Download the app, plug in cam. Easy to use, just 3 steps. Okay. Download the app, plug in cam, add device on the app. Then you can view in real time what's going on. There's a camera, remove tool, card reader, blah blah blah. I guess that's standard configuration. Wow. Okay. And how much is this? Sorry about the long video. Of course, it is $89.99. It's still affordable. Oh, if you want it with the SD card, then it's more. Okay, now that makes sense. Okay. Guys, basically this. Sorry about the long video, but this is gonna be in my description box. Let's continue to open it up. You guys check out other, what do you call it, that I've reviewed before. Check out other. Oh, USB, that's nice. Came with the USB manual. And I guess this is if you extra screw. And I guess this is, I don't know what this is for right now. Your manual. And that's all it came in with. Are you kidding me? So, I can see you guys from here. So where is the camera? I guess this is it. This is the camera, guys. This is the camera. Look at that. You're not even gonna know. Let's plug this baby up. So first of all, we're gonna scan the app to download. Scan the app to download. Search for CAMDUCK. I have Android. Install. Search for CAMDUCK, download app through your, whatever store on your phone. I was wondering what's behind here. Please select a high-speed memory card. The product cannot save recorded video without a memory card. Okay. Open. Yes, this is where your memory card goes in. Why do I feel like this is probably what this was meant for? Look at that. Do not try to use your fingers like I did, like I just did. Right there. Insert your memory card. Pew. Good. Just that I'm probably one screw. I don't know what it's for. Just to click start. Click to add cameras. Okay. Before this, what I was supposed to do, I was supposed to plug it up. Download it, search for this, plug up the camera, over here. How to connect it, turn on the Bluetooth on your mobile device, then power on the camera. Turn on my Bluetooth, it's already on. My Bluetooth is already on. I'll go ahead and plug it up. So I just plugged in and that's flashing. Let's continue our setup. This says it's remote setup. If you want remote setup, you can just, remote view when you're not near your camera. In my case, I'm close to the camera, so I'll do close range monitor setup. Blinking. Please control the distance between mobile phone, camera, router, whatever, between 2 meters. And then it says if blue light flash off, flash on. If blue light flash on until off. If blue light stays, on until off, no indicator. So if the blue light flash until off, please tick. Yeah, mine flashed until it's turned off. Already did that part. I took the second one. It flashed until off. The second one. So it says click. Okay, I'm supposed to click it, and then this connect to camera Wi-Fi. Oh, tick. I keep forgetting. So the camera name is CAMDUCK-XN. This password. So the password free version requires no password. Okay.
Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app.
Okay.
Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app.
They went to my internet. In this case, I'm connecting to the CAMDUCK. What do you call it in this case? I'm gonna enter the password they showed me. So it's connecting. I enter the password. Connecting. Okay, let's select CAMDUCK. Put your password, and then it will connect. Internet may not be available, what. I'm gonna keep my connection. And up here it says click back to the app. Something popped up in notification.
Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app.
I already did.
Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app.
So they found one camera.
Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app. Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app. Please connect to the camera.
You guys, I couldn't deal with all the low network or no whatever in the router. I just went ahead and connected to my own Wi-Fi. I just clicked on the, from the Wi-Fi list, I just selected mine. So let's see how this goes. When I put it, it said to control the distance mobile between that, 2 meters. So it's connecting now. I just have to do with my Wi-Fi first. Later I'll figure the rest out. This video is taking too long. Okay, this is what it says. Alarm management album SD file settings. Device, product, and whatnot. So let's go ahead and check it out. Affected by law and Amazon's rule, in some states the camera can open audio features by mutual consent. Okay, if the law of the state allows it, please feel free to contact us. Okay. Look at that. You guys, look at that. See how it's not showing anything? Then look at me. Look at me. See how it's not showing anything, but look at that. Yep, that's that camera. Extension cord, aka camera. Look at that. Look at that. Let me go try it somewhere else. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so I moved the location of the camera, aka extension cord or whatever this cord is supposed to be. Guess what we got? That's it right there. This is us right here in this living room. See how wide it is? Yep. You're looking at it correctly. It is that one, not your regular camera stuff. No light. In fact, let me take off. Yeah, right there. Look at it, no light whatsoever. Nothing, not even gonna know it's there. Oh my goodness. Oyibo, Oyibo, Oyibo. Eva, I know coming here was very risky, coming out here. Thank you, Eva. Okay, so let's play around with this. So this is 4K. Let's do 4K recording. Okay, because it has 1080 MP and then 4K. Thank you, Eva. And then alarm message, which I have nothing, no alarm yet. Photo. She's taking pictures. If I wanted to stay and be like, oh, what's going on? Cheese. So, and then as it's taking pictures, it's saving it. Yes. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Recording, I can just record it a little bit because that's gonna be what I'll do until I get. Oh, I actually have a memory card. Record it a little bit, and then I think you press it to stop, and then you play back your recording. See, that's the recording. Playback. Awesome. Okay, what else? Map. Okay, this is it. Like so. Auto rotate settings on. Oh, okay. Cool. Sorry about the long video, guys, but it is so worth it. I'm looking for a camera for this game room. There's not like camera where they can play around with, and it is pretty cool. So I can talk to you from here, literally. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Yep. Yeah, we're trying something out. Yep. Too nice. Thank you so much, CAMDUCK. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you in my next video. You guys check them out, please. You're gonna need this, especially with the hook. I've learned a lot when it comes to product reviews. $90, I probably wouldn't have bought it, but look at as someone with 4 kids, I need something like this. Not inclusive of all the cameras I have around my house, but for the fact that they always go that one place that is just, yep. See what I mean? Thank you, Mama. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.